people versus whole, when they say
we will not tolerate attacks against them. Attacks against them are attacks against all of us. It's going to take all of us coming together to stop this senseless violence.
We help build the country. We deserve equality, equal treatment, fairness, kindness, goodness. We're all immigrants. We deserve to treat each other with much more respect than this.
We've had enough of this racism from Black Lives Matter to now.
It's not right that this happens anywhere in this country or anywhere in the world.
White supremacy is a scourge on this earth, on this planet, and to all people. It needs to be dismantled in order for us to live healthier, happier, more protected lives.
I want to send the message that Asian Americans do matter, that our voice is valuable.
DFW AACC
亚洲文化和教育协会。
就政府应该更加的重视这些事情。我希望见到更多的行动，尤其是法律方面的行动，比如说一些实质性的东西。